Hello children, today you will learn how to install Microsoft Windows logo. Now you can see this icon. This is the icon for Microsoft Windows logo. So first we will see how to install it in our computer, and then I will teach you how to draw figures, geometrical shapes in Microsoft Windows logo. For that you first need to go to the web browser. In this web browser, in the search bar over here, you type Microsoft Windows logo. Windows logo. Okay, and press enter key. When you press enter key, you will get all the links from where you can download Microsoft Windows logo. I am selecting this first link. So click on this first link. When you click on the link, you will get this website from where you can install logo. So scroll down, come to this green button over here. Click on this green button for downloading the software. Once you click on the green button, you can see over here that it is downloading the software. Can you see over here? It is downloading the software. So let it complete downloading. Now the download is complete. You can click on this arrow and click on show in folder. When you click on show in folder, you will see this downloads folder appears in front of you. Okay, in the downloads folder you can see that the software is downloaded. Now this file you can copy and save it somewhere. Okay, in some other folder you can save it, and when you double click on this, you will get the setup to install the software. So I am right now I am not saving it anywhere else. I am just double clicking on this, and you see this dialog box appears. You click on next over here. Again click on next. So your software is installed now. Now to check, you can minimize this window. Now you can see here you have got the Microsoft Windows icon. So you can double click on this icon and start Microsoft Windows logo. You will get this box every time you start logo. Click on OK, you will get the Microsoft Windows logo screen. This is the title bar. You can see the icon of the software over here, and this is the drawing area. In the drawing area at the center you can see this triangle. This is called as the turtle. This is the head of the turtle at the top, this point, and this base is the tail of the turtle. Okay, so every time when you start logo, you will always find the turtle at the center of the screen. This position where the turtle appears when you start logo is the home position. So every time when you start logo, the turtle will be at the home position. Whenever you give command to the turtle, it acts, and if you give the command to move, the turtle moves. Now to give the commands, you have to use this commander box. This is the commander box. Whatever commands you are giving will appear over here. But to give the command, you are supposed to use this input box. This is the input box. You click inside, you can see the cursor. Can you see this insertion point? Here you are supposed to give the command to the turtle. If this insertion point is not there in the input box, your command will not be typed over here. So always be certain that the insertion point appears in this input box so that you can type the command. Okay, so now suppose if I am typing the command over here, FD100. Okay, this is my command. This command will move the turtle forward. FD stands for forward. So this command will move the turtle forward. Okay, so this FD is the command. It is also called as primitive, and this 100 is the input. Means you have to tell the computer, tell the logo how much the turtle should move, how many steps the turtle should move. So it is going to move forward, and how many steps? 100 steps forward it is going to move. If you don't type this 100 over here, if you don't give any input, it will give you an error message. For example, suppose if I remove this 100 from here, only FD I gave, and of course to execute the command you are supposed to press the enter key. I am pressing the enter key. See, it's giving you the error message. Not enough inputs to FD. That means you are supposed to type the input after the FD command. It's a must. You are supposed to type input for the commands. Now there are certain commands where you may not need the inputs also. Of course, in the next videos I am going to explain you all the commands of logo. So again I am typing here FD now. Give a space, space is a must. If you don't give space, again it will give you error. Give a space and then give the input. Okay, 100 I have given, you can give some other number also, 150 also can be given. Okay, and now I will press the enter key. Can you see my turtle has moved 150 steps, and you can notice over here there is a line drawn. So the job of the turtle is to draw whenever it moves. When the turtle moves, it always draws a line. So today you have learned how to install Microsoft logo, and you have learned the environment of Microsoft Windows logo screen. Now this window you can see it is minimized. You can maximize also by clicking on this. So this way your drawing area will be maximized. Okay, and always see that this should be in this position only. If you maximize the commander window, you will not be able to see the drawing area. So always keep it restored. Okay, minimize it. Follow children. So now one more last command, you learn how to close logo. For that you have to give the by command. The by command is used to close the logo. So I will type by inside the commander window over here. Can you see in this input box I have typed by. Now as soon as I press enter key, the screen will close. Can you see my Windows logo has closed. Okay, that's all for today children. In the next video you will learn how to draw in Microsoft logo. Thank you children.